So what we have in this is dough. So like
Dough.
yes, like pizza dough.
The nastiest.
Hold on, Amir. Mommy's
And
explaining.
what we do is get the chicken scrap. So the chicken feathers, the head, the foot, the scraps from like CB, and we cook it. So the intestine, all of that with the dough. We boil that, and when it's cooked properly, it starts to produce oil. So the oil on the top, and this is what preserves it as well. So that's how you do see flies pitching on it. And this is what we feed the pigs. So we incorporate it with the bag feeder and the biscuits. Biscuit, regular sweet biscuit, digestive,
Bread, biscuit,
duplex, any biscuit from National. What is that? Excelsior. Because they like the sweetness, and once they eat the sweet biscuit, they drink a lot of water. Chicken with less fat.
Auntie, what is that about the
This oil. So,
oil?
yes.
That's what
I have the phone.
wash me at your
I don't think my phone is okay. Right in the car. So some of them, they're empty. So there's a lot of work.
It takes hours to
Feed the truck with these. Get the scraps. Gonna pack it in the box. And we come out here.
So you do that every day?
No, once per week. And
So how long this take to cook?
like 3-4 hours.
Okay.
for it to cook.
So like how long this would last you for?
A week, 1 week, and 3 days.
Everything.
Yeah, man, everything. All of this, some on the back. Kind of company.
How many pigs?
Jackie dinner, yo.
307
Counting.
babies.
Right? They're not
Okay. It's what they use to feed the pigs.
It's newborn there.
Why is it smush? Why is it smush?
Smush because they cook it. They cook it up.
You have
For
to
the
help them
pigs.
with the birthing, or they just do that on their
By
own.
themselves. So what we do, we have some little wastewater holes.
Mommy, why
But
they
they
have
block it because when the babies are born, they can slide through. Once they slide through, they'll die. So we block it. Pretty much everything on there. As soon as they're born, they find the breast and they suck the colostrum just like everybody else. And that is what kind of gives them the boost or the extra energy that they need.
What about the goats?
The goats, whatever.
You help them too?
No, we don't have them. Everybody independent.
Everybody independent.